back to Sunday Famday. So we ordered Mexican food. So it's El Burrito Loco. So they have several restaurants around the area. So we're gonna get some giant burritos, some taco, some fajita, and a burrito bowl. So yep, so that's what we ordered. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up. All right, I'll see you there. Okay, so this is Burrito Loco on the left side here. There it is. All right, let's go in and get our stuff. This is Burrito Loco. Okay, so we got two bowls, one with rice and just carnitas, and a bowl with carnitas and everything in it. Got one giant burrito, got two tacos, and one fajita steak with everything. It's I think it's a dinner. So that's what we got, and the total came out to $47.12 for all the food. All right, we'll see you at home. Okay, so I just got home. I thought I was recording the inside of the store, but I guess I touched the record button when I walked inside. But all right, we'll probably go there next time. But here's the food. This is what we got. I got the giant burrito. It's as big as my hand. Wow, it's huge. And this is for Simon. Oh, here we go. Let's open it up. Yeah, it's a big burrito.
Big one. What did you order? What's your meat?
I got the chicken burrito. So it has lettuce, tomatoes, and beans on, I believe, a flour tortilla. So Simon got the rice and the carnitas, and then got some extra sauce. Then this is for my grandma. She got the same thing, carnitas, but with everything in it. Got sour cream, got some lettuce, tomatoes, guacamole. And then Cedric got two tacos.
Yes, two tacos.
He's got two chicken. Is that chicken?
Yeah,
chicken. Yeah, chicken tacos with lettuce. Is it lettuce, right?
Yeah.
Yep. And what did you get? You got the steak fajita. Wow, that actually looks good. That looks good. Steak fajita has the steak, the rice,
and beans.
The beans with some green beans, onions. Green bell peppers. Yeah, green bell peppers. All right, let's eat. So, Simon, how's yours? You like the carnitas and the rice?
Yeah.
Always love the carnitas.
It's good?
It tastes so good.
Okay. All right, so that's carnitas and the rice.
It's cool. Yeah.
Cedric, how's your tacos? Your chicken tacos?
Good. I dipped some of the sauce.
Okay, you got the red sauce or the green sauce?
The green sauce.
You got the green sauce. How was it?
So good?
So good?
How's the chicken? Looks moist.
It's okay.
All right. Okay. Mommy's gonna put everything in the tortilla. The steak looks good.
Yeah, no, it smells good.
And that's the beans.
The beans. Oh, this one too.
Put in some sauce. All right, that looks good. How is it? Tastes good?
So good.
How's the steak?
It's soft, tender. It's well seasoned.
Okay. All right, looks good. Simon's eating away. Is that your girl on your second taco?
Yeah.
How's the chicken? Chicken taste good?
Yeah.
All right. So we got some chicken in there too. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and sit down and eat this big burrito. That is huge. You like your taco? Good? All right. Yeah, this burrito is pretty big. That's why they call it giant burrito. All right, let's eat it. Okay. So we got the green sauce and then we got the red sauce. The red sauce is more spicier. I tried it, and yeah, this one's more spicier. And this is a big burrito. That is huge.
This is like a giant, right?
Yeah, it's a giant burrito.
It's even bigger than my hand.
Yeah, it's bigger than your hand, all right? Wow, look at that. It's as big as my face. All right, let's eat this.
It's your face. How was it?
Tastes good.
I know.
I got the chicken. It's like a shredded chicken. It's a very nice and moist. Tastes good. You can taste the beans. And I have lettuce and tomatoes in there. I'm gonna add a little. It's like breaking down the bottom here. Okay, I'm gonna add the red sauce. Ooh. That is one big burrito.
It's good.
Yeah, that's good.
Our first time to eat, right? First time to try El Burrito Loco.
This burrito is pretty massive. It's huge. Giant size.
Pretty good.
So yeah, it's good. This is our first time trying El Burrito Loco. Everybody likes it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it tastes good. All right.
Especially Cedric.
Cedric likes the tacos. Simon likes the carnitas and rice. And Mommy likes the chicken fajita. Or no, the steak fajita. The steak fajita. And this is a chicken burrito, the giant burrito. Got rice, beans, lettuce, and tomatoes. And okay, let's try the green sauce with it. I like the red sauce. The red sauce is really really good. Green sauce is okay, but I like the red sauce better. It's really good. It's more spicier. I like the more spicier stuff, so this is really good. But yeah, this is massive. It's like big as my head. That is a giant burrito. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. This is Sunday Famday. We do this every Sunday. Please click that subscribe button. Like, share, comment. All right, we'll talk to you in the next video. All right, have a good one, guys. Enjoy your Sunday. Have a good one. Bye-bye.